prices of hardware and software have gotten out of hand in the last few years, but still, Sony's upcoming limited edition piece feels like a steal. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. To celebrate the launch of one of 2026's most anticipated action-adventure titles, 007 First Light, PlayStation has unveiled the 007 First Light limited edition DualSense wireless controller. The controller is coming on the same day as the game on 27th May, and it's perfect for the spy in you. The controller is marketed as for your hands only, and it comes with a sleek gold finish and the iconic 007 icon stamped on the touchpad. The franchise art director said that this controller was a way to welcome James Bond back to gaming after more than 13 years. The golden finish pays tribute to the elegance, legacy, and timeless style of the franchise, while the barrel-inspired detailing reflects the themes of the game and how it feels to play it. Every element of the DualSense design was crafted as a celebration of Bond's return, and the controller will feel 007 right away from the moment you see it. However, just like any limited edition hardware, this one comes with an eye-watering price too. PlayStation blog said 007 First Light limited edition will be available in limited quantities globally for a price of $84.99. Know that the standard DualSense controller is around $60, so there's not too much of a difference. This controller can be pre-ordered from 17th April onwards, so there isn't long to go. So if you want to celebrate the release of the James Bond-inspired hit in style, be ready to place your order for the 007 First Light limited edition DualSense wireless controller on time. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.